If you manage campaigns for multiple clients, you know the pain of standard browser tabs. You open an account, check a metric, open a second tab to compare, and immediately get hit with a session error or a forced logout. We are going to eliminate that friction by building a single, unified command center. One secure login that gives you total control over every client campaign you manage. We'll use a 3-step framework. Create a master hub, securely connect your client accounts, and deploy browser isolation to stop login conflicts. Before building, you need one piece of data for every connected account, their 10-digit customer ID. Getting this architecture right up front removes the administrative roadblocks. Instead of wasting time recovering passwords and refreshing timed-out sessions, you can spend those hours actually optimizing your clients' campaigns. Step 1 is setting up the Master Hub, officially called a Google Ads Manager account. Go to ads.google.com/home/tools/manager accounts and click Create. During setup, name the account after your agency and be sure to lock in your primary operating time zone. You cannot easily change this later. It is important to understand that this Master Hub is strictly an umbrella structure. It exists purely to view and control the accounts beneath it. Now that the hub is live, bring your child accounts under the umbrella. Navigate to the left-hand menu, click Accounts, and then select Summary. Click the blue plus button, choose Link Existing Account, and enter the 10-digit customer ID. Hitting Submit sends a pending invitation. The account owner must then log in and manually approve the request before the link goes live. This two-way verification is a strict requirement from Google. It prevents unauthorized users from hijacking agency accounts while ensuring your centralized architecture is secure. With your accounts linked, the dashboard will quickly get crowded. Apply account labels right away to categorize them, using tags like retail, healthcare, or top performer, so you can filter your view instantly. Visual organization helps you navigate, but structural organization protects your data. There are 2 tiers of access in this system. Manager-level access allows a user to see every client under the umbrella. Individual-level access restricts a user to specific child accounts. Never grant external clients or junior staff access at the manager account level. Doing so exposes your entire agency roster and all cross-client data. Instead, go into the specific child account and invite them there. Assign standard permissions to build campaigns or read-only to review performance data. By forcing users into isolated permissions at the child account tier, you ensure that a single compromised password cannot spread across your entire portfolio. Even with a perfect manager hub, a physical limitation remains. Opening multiple child accounts simultaneously in standard browser tabs shares a single cookie pool, inevitably triggering forced logouts. We fix this with Sendwin's browser isolation, physically sandboxing individual tabs. Assign one Google Ads account to tab A and another to tab B. The browser locks them into distinct environments, allowing you to review live performance data side by side without session conflicts. These multi-login profiles are effectively running completely separate computers inside a single browser window. Combining the Manager Hub with browser isolation permanently removes the friction of logging in and out. Your team can execute true, uninterrupted multitasking. We've now built a complete unified command center. You have a centralized umbrella hub, fully labeled child accounts, and a session conflict-free environment to work in. This architecture unlocks powerful cross-account features. For instance, you can now build a single negative keyword list at the manager level and deploy it across all your linked accounts simultaneously. You can also establish shared budgets that dynamically shift your monthly spend to the most efficient campaigns, regardless of which individual account houses them. To lock down your multi-session architecture, check the description below to start your free trial of Sendwin. Managing multiple Google Ads accounts doesn't have to mean constant logouts and billing chaos. By deploying the right infrastructure, you transform administrative friction into a scalable workflow, giving your agency a clear operational advantage.